So, example ng Doppler shifts at range rate differentiation. So, ayan. Ito yung Doppler shifts. Ito naman sa kabila yung range rate differentiation. So, na-define na natin kung ano yan. No? Ito yung range rate kapag given you with respect to Doppler shifts. So, later on na natin i-discuss yung Doppler shifts. Ito, range rate, yung example. So, kung makikita nyo, change in R over change in T. So, parang kinuha yung sa acceleration. Yung change in V over change in T. Time derivative. Or the change in, rate of change of radar data. Kasi rate of change of velocity yung acceleration, di ba? Kaya time derivative yun. Ito, rate of change ng radar data. Yung pagbabago ng radar data with respect to the range and with respect to the time. So, yan na yun. So, yan lang muna tayo ngayon. So, mag-i-explore pa tayo. So, yun lang pa.